Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MonsterMath42.
MonsterMath42. So this is a problem, an old problem from a math test called IMLM that your school participates in. I just pulled a problem from one of last year's tests. It's a number theory problem. It says one prime factor of 272 is 2. What is the other prime factor? Alright, so how would you approach this problem?
Well, since it says there's only two prime factors and one of them is 2, I'll divide 272 by 2. So I would get 136. So this is still not prime. So it's divided by 2 again. And we get 78, which is still not divisible. It's still divisible by 2. So, 68. It's still divisible by 2. So then we have 34, which is still divisible by 2. 70.
Okay.
So that's the only other prime factor of 272.
Alright, how could you check your answer here? If you ran across this problem on the test.
We divided it by 2 4 times. Okay, to 17. So we multiply 17 times 16. Just to see. So 70, 60, 42, 272.
Good. So not a particularly difficult problem. What are some ideas? What could you have done differently that would have made the problem go slightly faster?
Well, I divided it by 4 instead of 2 this time.
How could you have known, say, for example, that 272 was divisible by 4?
Because for divisibility by 4, you look at the last 2 digits, and 72 is divisible by 4.
All right, so that would have gotten you down to 68, I guess. And would you have known that 68 was divisible by 4?
Yeah, so it's 60 plus 8.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can sort of hop over.
You could have also even noticed that 272 is divisible by 8 because 200 is divisible by 8.
It's 200 plus 72.
Yeah, so that's why. But anyway, not that hard of a problem, but it was problem number 1 anyway, so I didn't think it was going to be that hard. Good job.